Hi guys, today I am doing a declutter and it's been about a year since I've done a declutter and I need to get rid of stuff that I'm not using because I know most of this stuff is like very old and it's probably expired. So I will be like tossing these away. I'm not gonna give it away to anybody. So yeah, let's just get into it. For sure, I am tossing this because it's been open for a while and I heard really bad things about it. I am tossing this away. I got this from Charm. I think this is the prep and set. I have never used this before and as you can see I have like dust all over it because I've never touched it. And then my MAC Prep and Prime, I'm throwing this away because this is very old. I am keeping my Morphe setting spray. This is like their holiday collection. This is what I've been using and I am almost done. So I will probably be purchasing another one or I might purchase the Milani one. This is the Revlon Super Dewy Skin Tint and I have not even opened it yet. I just bought this like 2 months ago and I still haven't tried it, so I'm gonna keep this. I am going to be tossing my Cover FX Blurring Primer. I did really like this primer, but it's just, I have not used this in forever, so I'm gonna toss that out. Next, my Fenty Beauty foundation, probably the most expensive foundation I have so far, and the color doesn't suit me, and I bought it online and I kind of just guessed my shade. I think it's a little bit too yellowish for me, but I'm gonna keep it because it was expensive. I might just mix it with something else, so I'm gonna keep that. And then two of this Essence Pretty Natural foundation. I love this foundation. The only thing that sucks about it is that it's really hard to find your shade. That's why I have two, and I have it in 30 and 40, Neutral Ivory and Neutral Vanilla. I don't need both of them. For sure, I'm keeping the 40, and this one might be a maybe. I might keep it just in case I need to mix it with something darker, so not really sure. My next one, Born to Glow, I really like this foundation, but again, it's not my shade. It's a lot darker. What I've been doing is that I have been mixing these two together. I'm not really sure if I like it or not, but I am gonna keep it. I might just get another shade that's lighter. Who knows? We'll see. So maybe I might just keep this one. And then for primers, I went on like a primer splurge like at the beginning of this year. I think it was the beginning of this year or at the end of last year. And I bought these three and I love all three of them, so I'm keeping all of these. My e.l.f. Cameo Cream, I do like this. I think it might be a little bit too dark for me, but that's okay, I'm still gonna keep it. And then my e.l.f. Putty Primer, I'm sure all you guys have seen it before. I am going to keep this. And then I have my the Professional by Benefit. I'm gonna toss this because it's almost done and it's been a while since I've used it. I just recently bought this, the Rose Glow Face Gloss, and it's supposed to be like a illuminator for your face. So I am going to keep this. Next is my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I bought this because of Juicy Jazz on YouTube, and she raved about this. I don't like how it feels on my skin, so I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna toss this. And my I think this one's by Touch and Soul. Yeah, so I got this during my BoxyCharm. I did like it. As you can see, I used like half of it, but it's been a long time since I've touched this, and I'm pretty sure it is expired, so I'm gonna toss this. My El Maquillage foundation. I love this foundation, but at a point I was not wearing makeup at all for a very long time, and I'm pretty sure this is like, what, 3 years old, so I am going to toss this. And then I just bought the new e.l.f. Power Grip Primer that everyone's been talking about. I just have not tried it yet. Reason because I have so many primers that I'm currently using, so I don't want to open this one up yet, so I'm going to keep this. And then I have my Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. A lot of people have been raving about this. I'm not really sure if I tried it or not. I think I probably tried it once, and I'm gonna keep it just to keep on trying it out. And then I have my Pretty Fresh, still new. I don't think it's my shade. I think it's a little bit too light. Let me see. Sorry, I have foundation from earlier on my hand, but yeah, I think I don't remember if it's not my shade or if it's like no coverage at all for me. So I'm gonna keep it for maybe until May, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna toss it out. Then I have my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. I love this foundation, but it has been a very, very long time since this has been open, so I am going to toss it. And I'm also going to toss the second one. I think these are like 2 different shades. So yeah, I'm tossing both of those. The e.l.f. Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum, I am going to keep this. My Age Perfect foundation, honestly, I don't think it's my shade either. I have like bad luck at picking out shades for myself, so I think I'm gonna keep it just to try it out a little bit more, and then I might just toss it in May, who knows, we'll see. And then my Wet n Wild foundations, I love these foundations. These are like my top foundations, so I am going to keep all of them. I think one of them is done. Yeah, so this one's done, so I need to toss this one. Soft beige. Okay, so I have it in medium cream beige and one in soft beige light medium. This is my shade. The medium is a little bit darker, but I could use it for the summertime, so I'm gonna keep that. And then their dewy foundation, of course, I am going to keep this. And then I have my Maybelline 24-hour foundation. I do not like this foundation. It has nice coverage, but my skin is too sensitive, so I'm not gonna keep this. Alright, so we are almost done. I only have 3 things left. My Drunk Elephant skincare, I'm tossing that because it's old. And then my NYX, I think this is like a serum. I don't remember, but I do not like this. It broke me out, so I'm throwing that away. And then my powder. I don't know why I have powder here, but definitely keeping. Alright, so this is everything I am decluttering. I am going to be tossing all of this stuff away. I think I have about 16 things, and I am pretty happy with the declutter. It's what's been needed. I have not been wearing much makeup lately, so I want to get back into wearing makeup again, and I just need to get rid of this stuff. But yeah, all the stuff over here I am keeping, and then these I am tossing. So I hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned for my next one. I think I am doing my blushes. Actually, I'm gonna do my bronzers. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.